was unrest in Dakar. The people were protesting the ruling government's decision to postpone presidential elections. Corruption blame was being targeted to opposition leaders, and the opposition blaming the president of the same. Seems like a recurring theme in politics everywhere. From here, everything appeared to be calm except for the lack of internet access on mobile phones.
I must say, coming here is amazing. I love it. These guys take care of my stuff. When I just fixed my charger, I thought something was wrong with it. One guy gave me an estimate for like $150 just to look at it. That one I just fiddled with it and it works really good now. Got all the batteries in there. I love this place. And hopefully I'll fix my dinghy here too.
Robert was letting my dinghy dry thoroughly before replacing and gluing new material on it. The dude's very focused, man. Much better at this than I ever was.
Ah, tu travailles bien.
Later, I must go into town to withdraw more money. I had some people to pay off, including Alphonse here.
Oui, je suis là.
Ça c'est Alphonse.
Oui, c'est moi le vendeur ici de CVD, les bijoux et tout ça là.
Voilà. Des beaux bijoux qu'on va ramener pour Wendy, qui va être tout content.
He's a popular character here. He sells jewelry made from bullet casings and silver.
Vu ça? Les bagues aussi.
I tried to trade these from back home, but we discovered it wasn't solid silver.
Joyeux. Rappelez-vous quand vous venez ici.
I did buy a little trinket for Wendy from
Alphonse.
Voilà.
Okay, everyone, here we are at the sailing club in Dakar, in Senegal. The political situation has calmed down. Internet is working again, and Gianni and I are about to go. We just are loaded up with some fresh water. Got a bunch of work done on Galopine. He's gonna be pretty happy. And now I just had my friend here, Tafa, get us some water. Here's Tafa. And we're about to take off in a few minutes. So we're gonna have the tracker on. You can watch our progress. I'm gonna stop in the island of Sal to drop off Gianni because he's going back to Belgium to take his wife up there. She's going under some treatment for, well, that's another story. And then I'll be heading off from Sal to Saint Vicente on my own. Okay, we're on our way. See you later, Dakar. Au revoir, à bientôt. We will be back someday soon. Galopin is in pretty good shape. Got a few little other problems to fix, but overall, he's in great shape. We're heading to Sal to drop off Gianni, so it should be two-day trip, hopefully. Winds in our favor, and let's hope we have a good ride, me and Gianni.
The fishermen go out early afternoon to lay out their nets. Lots of them. By the way, as you can see, my dinghy is fine. Now back to the fishermen. They're racing out to secure a good spot to lay out their long nets. I mean, like kilometer-long nets, laid out perpendicular.
Fishermen are out, man. Gonna have to dodge a few nets, I think, on the way out. Just threw a pack of cigarettes to some passing fishermen. We'll follow them and see. It's tricky out here, man. These guys are crazy. Come out here to fish. I hate them and love them at the same time. I hate them because they put their nets and get in my way, but I love them for their courage and their fucking balls, man. Those guys got balls to be out here. And the kid's driving that one boat. Incredible.
Gianni had been reluctant to give up one of his precious cigarette packs. To me, it was a small sacrifice to maybe get some protection from these guys. I figured as long as we're sailing side by side, we should not encounter any nets. That was my idea anyways. And it seemed to work so far.
we're pretty much on our way here now. We've done about 25 miles. The fisherman danger obstacle seems to be cleared, but I'm sure as soon as I say that, there'll be one popping up out of nowhere. But so far, so good. We passed over one fishing line net there and just cruised over it, and it was fine. Gianni made himself a little tomato salad, and I'm cooking up some nems. We bought some nems before leaving at the little restaurant across the street, and it's really good. They're great to warm up and to eat during the trip. They're really easy, and yeah, I'm gonna have some right now.
After about 40 nautical miles or so, there were no more nets to fear. The evening was calm and uneventful except for taking in a reef and being on the lookout for big ships. The wind had picked up and had shifted so we could get a better bearing northwest. The sails were well trimmed. Coffee had been drunk. Not much more to do than read, sleep, and look around. We were absolutely blessed by the gods. The elements were kind to us in Galapan, and he was happy to indulge himself in his environment. Hours go by real slow, but it lets you enjoy every minute of being alive. This kind of traveling is nothing like air travel or on the motorway. It doesn't take hours to get you places. It takes you days, weeks. But can you do all this on an airplane or in a motor vehicle?
C'est bonne ça.
Ça c'est des super bonnes pâtes. Ça, je les fais toutes parce que comme ça, quand ça reste,
Ouais.
on mangera demain.
Ouais.
C'est des linguini Barilla. La pubblicità. Domanda a Barilla che
Qui nous
te
finance,
donna
ouais.
un petit tonne de pâtes, pas plus.
A good plate of spaghetti bolognese, cup of wine. It's time to settle into an equally long night.
I can see the boats out there, they can see me. So I'm not too worried. I can have the alarm that works. And it's not that much of a traffic area, you know, so
We do kind of keep a watch system, but it's not a very strict or regulated one. It just works. Okay? There's no more ships coming up, so we're gonna be fine. I'm probably gonna go to sleep in about an hour or so. Wake up at dawn. Gianni will probably wake up to go to the bathroom or something. He'll keep an eye out on things. So it's kind of a natural order of watch, kind of an anarchist kind of order of watch. We just do it and it happens. And we feel pretty safe on our boat with Gallipoli.
Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Gallipoli. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken. And I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Gallipoli's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, or make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.